Lift the tube out of the tube hanger and slide the washer off it. And if the tube happens to be wet from rain, for example, just take a cloth and dry the outside of it. You don't need to dry the inside. Then take your white cap and use it to enclose the tube. Make sure it's really tightly closed. Go to cleanairtogether.ie and sign in. On the participants page, enter the date and time your tube was collected. So now we know when your tube was installed and collected. So we know how long it was exposed to ambient air. If you want to, you can add any comment in relation to your tube. And you can also let us know if your tube is missing by ticking a box. Then click on the green button at the top of the screen to close and save any changes. Okay, so now go back to your pack and take the envelope. There's a small envelope which is pre-stamped and pre-addressed to Clean Air Together. You will use it to return your tube. You can also add the tube holder and the washer that we will reuse in future projects. Then go to your local letterbox, the one on the street, and just slide the envelope and you're done. The sooner you post your tube back to us, the sooner we can analyze your result. Thanks so much for taking part, and we're very excited to see your results.